One of my favorite Japanese dishes is deep-fried breaded pork cutlets, or tonkatsu. But ever since I adopted a keto lifestyle in 2018, the original tonkatsu recipe, which uses a high-carb breading known as PANKO, makes it off-limits for keto followers. In this video, I'll walk you through a keto version of the original tonkatsu recipe. It uses a low-carb batter consisting of egg, almond flour, grated Parmesan cheese, and ground pork rinds. There are no white breadcrumbs in this recipe. So, if you're a tonkatsu fan who's on a low-carb diet like me, this video is for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please like and subscribe. And to avoid missing out on new videos, please click the notifications bell. Have a great day.